Dear parents, if your child was not able to get admission into the Navodaya Vidyalaya in class 6th, then wait. There is a golden opportunity for class 8 students to get admission into class 9th in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. So in this video, I will be explaining you regarding the how to get admission into Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya step-by-step process for class 8 students. The Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is completely free educational school. So here for class 9th, the entrance examination, that is lateral entry selection test, will be conducted. A golden opportunity for current 8th standard students. The gateway to the India's premier residential schools. This is Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, press on the bell button and select all. Share this video in your Facebook and WhatsApp. The Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a launch pad for success, meaning it is a world-class educational residential school at zero cost. So top education quality with the CBSE affiliated, focusing on the holistic growth, modern facilities like smart classes and science labs, proven track record like the high success rate in the JEE and NEET examination, a safe environment, as well as a national integration scheme where the migration scheme will be held in this. So the lateral entry selection test, a golden opportunity. Your second chance for the Navodaya Vidyalaya. Here the admission will be taken for class 9th with the vacant seats. The selection will be based on the merit through the JNVST examination. It ensures the talented rural children to get admission into the Navodaya Vidyalaya. Here the best minds study in this Navodaya Vidyalaya. Who can apply for this entrance examination? The essential requirements will be here. The current class should be, the student should be studying in class 8th, and school type should be government or recognized school. Location should be, it should be in the same district where the student is going to apply the application. This is very important. Student can apply only in which district he is studying. There only it should be, his or her school should be located. Then only he is eligible to apply. The date of birth must include between, that is 1st May 2012 to 31st July 2014. Both the days are inclusive. No repeaters are allowed here. Make your calendar ready, meaning what? These are the scheduled dates, that is tentative dates for this entrance examination. The notification will be expected in the month of June or July 2026. The last date to apply is September or October of the 2026. The exam will be held in the month of February 2027 and the results will be declared in the month of, that is April or March 2027. Simple application process will be there. You should log in into the website as well as fill the basic details like date of birth, name, mobile number, all of this. Upload your photograph as well as the signature of the student and parents. Also verification will be done and the confirmation page will be given to you. After understanding these things, now let us go ahead with the understanding of the examination, that is pattern and marking scheme. This will be, mode will be, that is offline entrance examination, meaning pen and paper on the OMR sheet. OMR sheet means 4 options will be given, in that one correct answer you should choose. The duration of this entrance examination is 2.5 hours or 150 minutes. The question type is objective or multiple choice. Medium will be English and Hindi. Total marks will be, that is 100 questions and 100 marks will be there. There is a great news, there will be no negative marking. Also, we provide purely English medium online classes. The English medium students have their golden opportunity here. The subject breakdown, if you take, that is the focuses on the 4 main, that is the subjects here. First one is the mathematics. It includes 35 marks and 35 questions. Also there is the general science, 35 marks and 35 questions. English will be there, that is 15 marks, 15 question, and Hindi will be there. So you can see here the matrix showing the, that is the very importance of these, that is the marking scheme. Let us proceed further with the how the selection works, that is merit list as well as the qualifying criteria. To qualify in this entrance examination, a student has to qualify in all the 4 subjects individually. Merit logic, that is based on the marks, that is the maths, science and one language, whichever is higher. The reservation will be also applied as rural SC, ST, OBC as well as the Divyang. So here we have given you the that is the flow chart. First you have to check the eligibility, apply online, download the admit card, exam day will be informed, you should write the examination as well as result and selection will be done. This is the your journey to success for the Navodaya Vidyalaya admission 2027. Dream big, aim high. Your future awaits at Navodaya. For this entrance examination, now onwards you have to prepare. For that, we have brought a expertise of the faculties for this training. That is, join Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes, purely English medium online classes. Daily live classes will be held in our own batch. The batch is JNV Senior Batch 2026 for class 7th and 8th. Live classes daily in the morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. as well as weekly test will be conducted on the every Monday regarding the week's preparation. This will be held in our own app Vikas Navodaya Sainik classes. For further details to join our online classes purely in English medium where we will be covering all the syllabus, question papers, model papers, weekly tests, for this contact our mobile number 8884811496. Thank you.